Yeah, so in aggregate function, you will get a single output value for a number of input values. Whether you count something like there, if there are number of items, if you count those items, after counting, let's say 10 items, you will get 10 as the answer.
You
But
mean
the input values are 10, no? Input values are 10. Output is
yes?
10, like output you are getting whatever output you are getting after counting the items. That will be only like the output will be one answer, but the input values will be many. So
Yeah, you
in any
mean
such kind of calculation, that is called aggregate function. Okay.
you mean to say that result will be in only single value, single output value,
Yes,
but
yes.
you know, multiple and before that if we write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so we will sum, so we will get result in out single output value, but from 1 to 10 is a multiple value, right?
Right, right. So it is just a definition of aggregate function. Okay. But you will have to use this functions very frequently in coming topics, like whenever we'll whatever we'll study in the coming classes, we'll have to use this aggregate functions very much.
Very
Okay.
much. Okay.
So today I will just show you how to use these aggregate functions and how to write the queries of these aggregate functions. So for example, could you please run this table again, florist table? So what are the various aggregate functions which you have written? Tell me.
What are the aggregate function?
What are the various aggregate functions which is
Some
present
count,
in SQL?
some
Ah,
count,
some.
minimum, maximum,
Okay. Okay.
some count, minimum and maximum.
And average.
Average, sorry, average 5.
What happened? Why are you writing and deleting every time?
No, no, sir.
Just you need. You don't need to. Okay, just you run this. No. Okay. You have selected select star from florist and then run this. Yeah. Now just write us. The question is write a query to find the sum of the price of all the products. Okay. Write a query to find the sum of price of all the products. So write select sum of price from florist. No, no. If I say sum of price means first you have to write sum and then within bracket you have to write price. Okay. Whenever I say sum of price, count of price, or like sum of something, count of something, max of something, average of something, it will mean that inside that aggregate function you'll have to use a bracket. Okay.
Okay.
Sum of price from,
A florist.
yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the sum of all the products, sum of price of all the products. Okay.
Products. Okay.
Now, one more thing I would like to tell you here is, uh, you must know about alias. Okay, alias, alias.
A
Alias
L I
is
A L I A S.
alias. So alias is you know a way to give a temporary name to a column or to a table. Okay. So if you want to give a temporary name to a column or to a table, then we can use alias. Okay. and that is denoted by as. Okay.
Yes, that is it.
So for example, this you can see the column name in the result grid is sum of price, isn't it?
Isn't it?
Yeah. So I want to change the name of the column as total price. So for doing that, we can use alias function.
Okay.
So what you can do here is that after sum of price, you have to write as total price.
Here,
Yeah. uh, Total price. So, and one more thing, like whatever column name you write with alias, like after as, if there are two words in that column name, you should not give space. You should give underscore. Underscore.
sorry.
And this is semicolon.
Sorry,
Underscore.
sorry.
Yes. Okay. So select some price as total price from florist.
Select some
Okay, you
price
run this.
as total price. Not list.
You run this, you see that the column name will get changed into total price. Okay. See, the column name is total price. Earlier it was sum of price. So
If we will actually the thing is, I want to ask one question. If we will give rename, like if I want to write instead of total price, something like
yeah, you can write any
cost
name.
rate,
Yeah,
we can
you
write.
can write any name. I'm telling you now that is
Yeah,
means you after as whatever name you write, that will become the column name.
that will become okay.
Okay. Now just find the sum of the ID column in the same table and also use that alias.
Alias.
Okay, total ID. Okay.
Select some ID as total ID from alias.
Okay. Understood?
Understood.
Okay, now similarly, see the function like the syntax, the format will be same. Only the function will be different. Okay.
Uh,
Similarly, you can find count,
Count.
max, mean, and average. Okay. The format will be same. Just in place of sum, you can write max, mean, count, or average. Okay.
Okay.
So you can find the maximum price, minimum price, the average of all the price, and the count of the products.
Count of the products. Okay. I will. Can I use count function? Hello.
So you do one thing, first you run that select star from florist. I will explain you. First you run that select star from florist. No need to write, just go, you can see, there are a lot of time you have written. Just select that and run that. Means you could have just selected that and you could have executed that.
Okay.
No need to copy paste these things. Okay, fine. Now you run this. Okay, now if I ask you like uh, if I ask you to find how many like items are there in the table, so
We will use count function.
count function. So what will you count? Like which column will you count here?
How many IDs, right?
Yeah, ID. So you have to write count of ID. Okay.
Okay.
So write the syntax, proper syntax. Total items, right? Total items, not total ID. See, in line number 73, you haven't terminated the line. First you have to terminate the line in line number 73. What is the meaning of terminate? I mean, like terminate means you have to give a semicolon at the end. You
Okay.
you hadn't given the semicolon. So that's what I meant to say, that you have to give a semicolon at the end. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now you have deleted, then let it be. Run this.
Total items 7. Okay.
Okay. Mm, okay, now do one thing. In the next line, you just in place of ID, you write star and run this. See what happens. No, why are you writing the line over again? Just copy paste the previous line, and in place of ID, you write star. That's all. Run this. Again 7. Okay. So if you
Yeah, I'm
also
listening.
write count of star, then also you will be able to count the number of rows. Okay.
Count the number of rows. Okay.
So if in some column any unique, like if in some table any unique column are not given, then you can also write select count of star from table if you want to count the rows.
Rows.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood or not?
Understood. No, understood. If I want to rows, someone asks me how many row is in table, so we will use star function. Sorry, star.
Okay. Now similarly find the maximum priced product. Like you have to find the details of the product which is having the maximum price. You need to find the details of the product which is having the minimum price,
Minimum
and you
price.
have the average
Average
price of all the
price.
products. Yeah. So write the three queries quickly. Why are you making changes over here? No. Let it be. Write in a new line.
No, this is a
That
new
is
line.
Okay, okay.
I hope.
Yeah, fine.
Right.
Yeah, right.
Let me press this. Okay, sir. Finish.
Okay, so practice these things, limit, offset, and aggregate functions
Limit, offset, and
as of
aggregate
today.
function. Okay.
We'll see the next topic tomorrow on Monday. Okay.
And
Any doubts as of today?
no doubt, sir. 1 minute. Yeah. Sir, there is a three, queries select start from florist where price 8 and all. This is not, it is executing, but it is showing
No, no, it's
cross
wrong. It's wrong. See, you have written where price equals to 8, and then you have given comma. Comma should not
comma,
be there.
a common use.
Okay.
And yeah, same mistake
Similarly, in line number
here,
32. Yeah.
similarly here. Right.
Okay.
But sir, it was executing.
No, no, it cannot execute if you give comma.
Yeah.
It will give error.
Just a minute. I same.
Now it will execute. You run this, it will give error.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Again, I will make one more table and I will write these queries I will use.
No, I'll give you three tables. I will give you the details of three tables. You make those three tables, okay? Because
Okay.
we will be using those tables for practicing questions. So
Okay.
whatever details will be given in that table, you have to prepare the table according to the same details. Like don't add any extra row or add any extra column. So you have to create the table as I will give you. Okay.
Okay.
And okay. And one more thing I would like to say that if there is a website called W3 Schools, could you please open that website?
No, sir. Actually, I am using W3 schools.
Okay, you are using W3 Schools.
Yeah.
So
Whenever I sit
uh,
idle in office, so I use W3 schools. It's a
so yeah, so W3 School is a very good website if you want to, if in case you forget your syntax, or in
yeah.
case you like want to remember the syntax, you can always refer to that. Okay,
Yeah, I keep
almost
practicing. I
everything is
pick a
there.
guessing because in morning I practice, and after that I forget, and in evening and night I practice
Okay.
using W3 Schools app.
Okay, so okay, I'll share the uh, three tables with you.
Okay,
You have to prepare that table in the same database. Okay, all
okay.
the three tables should be present in the same database, and keep it ready with you by Monday. Okay.
So you can WhatsApp. You can call WhatsApp.
Yeah, yeah. I'm just texting you. I'm just sending you over to the WhatsApp. Okay. Uh, okay. Let's. You can continue your practice. You can hang up the call. We'll meet on
Okay.
Monday. Have a nice day. Bye.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.